sales consultant for David Reed Homes. We are actually, as an option to our clients for energy efficient in our homes, we're actually using the solar air conditioning in our display home here at Endeavour Way in Eli Waters and in our office. When I first come in the mornings, it's actually quite warm in here, and it is absolutely fantastic. By the time I open the rest of the house up and whack that aircon on, it is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I would recommend it within 5 seconds to anybody for energy efficient to please go and install solar air conditioning.